The result class in Kotlin is used to handle the results of operations that may result in success or error. It is a generic class that can store two different types of data, one for the success case and the other for the error case. With this class, developers can uniquely represent the result of an operation, making it easier to manage and handle errors. We will present the operation of the class on the example of fetching the best-rated books for a given author. At the beginning we need to download the author, then his books and choose the best one. Additionally, we would like to report the fact of interest. Each operation may end in failure or success, and we want to take advantage of this fact and take appropriate actions. The getOrElse method returns the value if this instance represents success or performs the given operation. The onSuccess and onFailure methods allow you to perform an action based on the result. It is worth noting that scope functions are also very useful.